Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching ITI NIMI channel Electrician. In this video, I am going to ask basic electrical practice NIMI question bank. I will only ask the question, you have to give the answer, right? Let's start question number 1. This is question number 1. How many electrons are there in the third cell of the copper atom? Option A 8, option B 13, option C 18, option D 29. The answer is 18. Which is the semiconductor material? Option A Eureka, option B Ebonite, option C Manganese, option D Germanium. The answer is Germanium. What is the indication of neon polarity indicator used for checking AC supply? The answer is both electrodes will glow. Calculate the electrical energy in unit consumed by 500 watt lamp for 5 hours. So friends, here I will explain little bit. Calculate the electrical energy in unit. Okay, 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. So here 500 watt is there. Okay, we convert this watt into kilowatt, means 500 divided by 1000. Okay, so next hour put it as it is. So the answer will come 2.5 unit. Okay, these are some other formulas are there, means these are some other problems are there. This will also come in the exam. Okay, so second problem, how it will come? Calculate the total energy consumption in unit per day. Okay, this type of questions also come. And total energy consumed for the month of January, February, March. Okay, this type of questions also come. Okay, this is simple problem. This is very simple problems are there. Means we use only one formula, 1 kilowatt hours, 1 kWh. Okay, this is very simple formula. By using this formula, we can solve any type of question. Right? Let's go to next question. What is the value of hot resistance of a bulb rated 100 watt 250 volt? So to solve this formula, we use this to solve this question. We use the formula P equals to V square divided by R. Okay, by using this formula, we can solve this question. So the answer is 625 ohm. Which law states that in closed electrical circuit, the applied voltage is equals to sum of the voltage drops? The answer is Kirchhoff's second law. Calculate the total power of the circuit of two lamps rated 200 watt 240 volt are connected in series across the 240 volt supply. So friends, by using this formula, 1 by P equals to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 so and so forth. Okay, we can solve this question. Therefore, the answer is 100 watt. What is the formula for the equivalent resistance RT of the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel circuit? So friends, if the resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, to find the total resistance, we use the formula RT equals to 1 upon 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. This is the formula. What is the reading of the ohm meter across opened R2 resistor? Means here the three resistors are connected in series. Okay, this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. If one of the resistor is opened, okay, what is the reading of this ohm meter? The answer is indicates infinite resistance, because the resistance is, when the resistor is open, the ohm meter indicates infinite resistance. What is the change of resistance value of the conductor as its diameter is doubled? So friends, if the area of cross section is doubled, the resistance also double. means this is the inversely proportional to. So means if the area is double, the resistance is decreases to double. Means means here diameter is double, means its resistance is decreased to 4 times, right? What is the name of the resistor? The answer is wire wound resistor. Calculate the resistance value of the resistor by color coding method. So friends, to solve this problem, we have to use this table. Okay, here red is there. Red means 2. Okay, the next blue is there. Blue means 6, means 26. Then again orange color is there. So orange means 10 raised to 3. Okay. Therefore, the answer is 26 into 10 raised to 3 watt. So silver is there. Silver means plus or minus 10%. Okay. Silver means plus or minus 10%. By using this table, we can solve any type of questions on color coding. Right. Let's go to next question. Why the ohm meter is graduated with non-linear scale? Means you can see here the ohm meter reading starts from infinity ohm to 0 ohm. In this question is asking that why the ohm meter is not linear, means 0 to infinity. Okay, but practically the ohm meter scale is infinity to 0. Why it is like this? The answer is current is inversely proportional to the resistance. Because of this reasons, the ohm meter scale is infinity to 0 ohm. Calculate the value of unknown resistance RDC in the Wheatstone bridge network if PAB is 500 watt, QBC is 300 watt, SA0 is 15 watt at balanced condition. So friends, this is very important problems are there. In this circuit, some other problems also come. Okay, this is a very standard formula is there at balanced condition. When the circuit is in balanced condition, VAB equals to VAD. Okay, so I will give the simple formula, final formula. S by P equals to R by Q. This is the formula. This is the formula to calculate the unknown resistance, to calculate the unknown power. Okay, means this is the S and this is the P. S by P. Then the R by Q. This is the R, this is the Q. R by Q. Okay, with the help of this formula, we can solve any type of questions in this this type of problems. So therefore, the answer is 9 ohm. Which material is having negative temperature coefficient property? The answer is mica. What is electrical quantity are related in Ohm's law? We know that the electrical quantity related in Ohm's law is current, volt and resistance. Calculate the value of resistance R2 in the parallel circuit. So if the resistors are connected in parallel, so how to calculate the R2 resistance? Okay, I is given. Okay, to solve this formula, we use this with the help of this formula, we can solve this question. Okay, this is the parallel circuit. So this is the total resistance. Okay, to find the total resistance, so R2 means I2 equals to V divided by R2. This is the formula. What is the formula? I2 equals to V divided by R2. Okay, with the help of this formula, we can solve this question. Therefore, the answer is 6 ohm. What is the effect of parallel circuit with one branch is opened? No current will flow in that branch. What is the unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. Which type of resistors is used for arc quenching protection in circuit breakers? The answer is variators. Calculate the value of resistance by color coding method. I already explained. With the help of this table, we can solve any type of questions. Okay, see here. Red means 2, green means 5, orange means 10 raised to 3, gold is plus or minus 5%. Okay. Calculate the unknown resistance RDC in the Wheatstone bridge circuit if PAB is 400 ohms, QBC is 200 ohms and SAD is 12 ohms at balanced condition. So friends, at balanced condition, we have to use this formula. S by P equals to R by Q. Okay. With the help of this formula, we can solve this problem. Therefore, the answer is 6 ohm. What is the reading of the voltmeter V? So friends, here this is the closed circuit. Okay, this is the closed circuit. If I check the voltage here, if I cut this wire, if I open this circuit and if I measure the voltage here, how much voltage we can measure? Okay, so friends, this is a closed circuit. Okay, this is a closed circuit. We only opened here. Okay, therefore the answer is 18 volt, because this 18 volt we can see here also, because of this is a closed circuit. Which is the application of series circuit? The answer is multiplier resistors of a voltmeter. What is the effect on opened resistor in series circuit? Total supply voltage will appear across the opened resistor. Calculate the resistance value in R3 resistor. So friends, this is a very easy formula is there. To find the R3 resistance, the formula is I3 equals to V divided by R3. With the help of this formula, we can solve this question. The answer is 12 ohm. What is the effect of the circuit if AB points are shorted? Friends, if we shorted this AB 2 points, this becomes short circuited. If in short circuit condition, the resistance is 0. Therefore, circuit resistance will be 0. What is the name of the resistor if its resistance value increases with increase in temperature? The answer is sensistors. What is the formula for quantity of electricity? We know that Q equals to IT. Q equals to IT means current into time. What is the unit of conductance? Conductance means reciprocal of resistance. Therefore, unit is mho. Which one defines the change in resistance in ohm per degree centigrade? The answer is temperature coefficient. Which type of meter is used to test the polarity of battery? The answer is moving coil voltmeter. What is the voltage drop in the resistor R2 in the series circuit? So friends, in series circuit, the current is same. Okay, the current is same. Therefore, what is the voltage drop? V equals to I into R. Okay, current is same. V equals to I into R. With the help of this formula, we can solve this problem. Therefore, answer is 10 volt. Which is the application of series circuit? The answer is fuse in circuit. Which method is used for measuring 1 ohm to 100 kilo ohm range resistance? The answer is Wheatstone bridge method. What is the SI unit of specific resistance? The answer is ohm meter. What is the value of resistance of the resistor? So friends, already I explained this type of question. Therefore, the answer is option B is the answer. What is the purpose of shunt resistor R2 used in series type of ohm meter circuit? Means in this question is asking that this is the ohm meter and this is the resistor R2. So in this question is asking what is the purpose of R2 resistor. The answer is to adjust the zero position of the pointer. Which electrical quantity affects the heat generated in a conductor? The answer is square of the current. What is the change in value of the resistance of the conductor if its cross-section area is doubled? The answer is decreases 2 times. Calculate the voltage drop across the resistor R4 in the circuit. So friends, this is the series circuit. To find the voltage across the R4 resistor, we use the formula V equals to I into R4. Okay. So this is a series circuit. The answer is 100 volt. Means V1 plus V2 plus V3. V3 equals to I into R4. What is the resistance of light dependent resistor if the intensity of light is increased? The answer is decreases. Which formula is used to calculate the power of a DC circuit? The answer is current into voltage. Calculate the hot resistance of 200 watt 250 volt rated lamp. The answer is 312.5 ohms. Formula is P equals to V square divided by R. What is the value of resistance in open circuit? The answer is infinity. Which resistor of the lowest current flow in a parallel circuit having the value of 15 ohm, 220 ohm, 450 ohm and 560 ohm are connected with the supply? Means in this question is asking that if we connect the 50 ohm, 220 ohm, 450 ohm, 560 ohm resistors in parallel. Okay. So which resistor having the lowest current? This is the question. If the resistance value is high, the current is low. Therefore, answer is 560 ohm. Okay, friends. This is the last question. What is the specific resistance value of a copper conductor? The answer is 1.72 micro ohm per cubic centimeter, which is inversely proportional to the resistance of a conductor. The answer is area of cross section. Okay friends, thanks for watching my YouTube channel.